Welcome to St. Michael's Academy, Betia's e-learning class of English Grammar Class 5. So today we are going to do pronouns. So in this video we are going to do the explanation work and the book work of this chapter. So pronouns are known as noun substitutes or give variety to your writing because you do not repeat the same noun over and over, and it make that sentence more appropriate and correct and beautiful in writing. Now the definition of pronoun. A word that is used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. इसको हिंदी में हम सर्वनाम के नाम से जानते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई, मी, दिस, दोज, ही, हर, हिमसेल्फ, शी, इट, वी, दे, योर्स, हर्स, us, you, and so on. There are so many examples of pronoun. Now for example, Smita thanked Raj because Raj had helped Smita to complete Smita's work. Now when we use pronoun, how we will read it? Smita thanked Raj because he helped her to complete her work. Now you can see both the examples how it has changed. We have replaced the noun with the pronoun. Now we will see another example. Marich went for a walk. So second sentence is she went for a walk. So in the second sentence, she is a pronoun that takes place of the noun marriage. Now we will see the types of pronouns one by one. First one is personal pronoun. So what do you mean by personal pronoun? It is defined as a pronoun that refers to a particular person or a group or a thing. Here are some personal pronouns: I, me, mine, we, us, etc. So the personal pronoun are used for people, places, things, and ideas. There are two types of personal pronouns: subject pronouns, object pronouns. Now we will see the subject personal pronoun. So it is defined as a pronoun that act as a subject of the sentence. I am repeating again, it act as a subject of the sentence, and the subject pronouns are the who or what the sentence is about. Subject pronouns are said to be in the nominative case. Like, for example, I would like to go to the party. He left office early today. She went shopping with her friends. So, I, he, and she, here it is a personal pronoun. Object personal pronoun. It is defined as a pronoun that act as an object of a verb, compound verb, preposition, or infinite phrases. So the object pronouns are the who or what acted upon, and the object pronouns are said to be in the objective case. For example, she praised me for a job done well. He looked at it lovely. So here you can see me and it are the object person pronoun, and she and he are the subject personal pronoun. So forms of personal pronouns are first person, second person, and third person. Now we will see it one by one. The first person. The pronouns which refers to the person or the person speaking are the first person. For example, we use I, we, mine, ours, me, us for the first person. B. The second person. The pronouns which refers to the person or person spoken to are the of the second person. Example, you, yours. The third person. The pronouns which refers to the persons or the things spoken of are of the third person. For example, he, she, it, him, his, her, its, they, them, theirs. So you can see the first person means here the person speaking is the first person. The second person, the person spoken to. And the third person, which the things are spoken of. इसका मतलब ये हुआ फर्स्ट पर्सन जो बात कर रहा है, सेकंड पर्सन जिससे बात हो रही है और थर्ड पर्सन जिनके बारे में बात हो रही है यहाँ पर. Now second, relative pronouns. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns take the place of a nouns or pronouns. They are called relative pronouns. Why they are called relative pronouns? Because they always relate back to something or someone else. They are used to join two sentences about the same person or thing. There are some examples of relative pronouns: who, which, whose, whom, that. So now we will see where to use these examples. Who. It is used for people. Example, the woman who called yesterday wants to buy the house. Which. Used for things and animals. For example, did you see the letter which came today? I love the puppy which is jumping at the kitchen. Whose. Used for possession of people or animal. He is a man. He is a man whose opinion I respect. Whom. Used for people when the person is the object of the verb. So here the person will be the object. For example, the author whom you criticized is your review has written a letter in reply. That. Used for people, things and animals. For example, the girl that we met in France has sent us a card. We live in a ground floor flat that backs onto a busy street. For example, the person who phoned me last night is my teacher. So here, who is the relative pronoun. The car which hit me was yellow. So here, which is the relative pronoun. The person whom I phoned last night is my teacher. Whom is the relative pronoun here. The car whose driver jumped out just before the accident was completely destroyed. Whose is the relative pronoun here. Now, next one is the reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used to turn the action done by the subject of a sentence back to the subject. That means it is used when the action of the subject reacts back upon the subject. For example, I was singing to myself. So here, myself is the reflexive pronoun. So here are the some of the common examples of the reflexive pronouns. So you can see in the singular, we will write myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. And now you see in the plural, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. So these are the common examples of the reflexive pronouns. Examples of the reflexive pronoun is I cut myself while saving. So here myself is a reflexive pronoun. You are losing yourself in your work. Yourself here is a reflexive pronoun. The boys saw themselves as heroes. So here themselves is a reflexive pronoun here. Now we will see the possessive pronouns. Now possessive pronouns used to indicate the possession or the ownership. So as you know that the possessive pronoun is used to show possession, belonging or ownership here. So the examples of the possessive pronouns in singular are my, mine, your, yours, his, her, hers, its. And in a plural we write our, ours, your, yours, their, theirs. Now we will do the bookwork of this chapter. Question A. Circle the personal pronouns in these sentences. So what you have to do, all the sentences have been given. You have to find out the personal pronouns and you have to circle it. For example, first one we will see, she is my best friend. So here she is a personal pronoun. That's why I have circled it. Likewise, all have been done for you. B. Fill in the blanks with the correct possessive pronouns in the bracket. So you can see there are two possessive pronouns have been written. What you have to do, you have to select the correct one and you have to write in the blanks. For example, the first one, dash friend owns a blue car. My or mine. So there are two options. The correct option will be my. So likewise all have been done for you. Now see, tick the correct relative pronoun from the ones given in the brackets. So there are two options here are given. Both are the relative pronouns, but you have to select the correct relative pronoun according to the sentence. For example, the man who or which is honest is loved by all. So the correct relative pronoun according to the sentence will be who. Likewise, all have been done for you. Question number D. Fill in the blanks with the suitable reflexive pronoun. So here what you have to fill, reflexive pronouns like myself, yourself, himself, itself, herself. For example, Garima can bath dash herself. Likewise, all have been done for you. Question E. Fill in the blanks with I or me. So you have to fill the blanks by using I or me according to the sentences. For example, question number 1, dash, I am the best singer in the class. So here it will be I. Likewise, all have been done for you. I hope you understood the explanation and the bookwork of this chapter. Thank you.